Hey guys, it's Marsh from Kitty and Marsh, and I'm here with a friend. So, what's up?
How do you spell build?
Build. How can I not destroy this amazing build? Woo! I'm Caillou, I'm Caillou. Whoa. Bro, he looks so intimidating. He's like, yay. Did that hurt?
No.
Didn't? Ow! Is this magical? Wait. I don't feel.
So creative.
Hang on. Oh. CREATIVE. This is how you spam it. 360 no scope. Oh, thank God.
Okay.
Travel through the portal, magical bullet.
I don't know. I want to throw the. Wait, do that again. Do it again. I want to see that.
Yeet. Yeet. Just jump repeatedly. Give me that screw back. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go look it up.
Alright. I don't think he can get guns. He can just find them. Oh.
Where is he?
Gentlemen.
We got him. Boo! I'm going.
Oh, I hit him.
Going in. Oh, whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Knock him dead. Is what my great Paul said. Oh! Ladies and gents, we got him. Oof, I see. I thought he killed you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We got him.
Here, let's get rid of me. I'm getting rid of all these bouncing things.
Whoa.
My grandpappy said.
Kill all humans. That's what your grandpappy said. Kill all humans.
Yep. Kill him.
Ladies and gents, we've killed him.
Oh, I got so close.
Stop killing me! I can hear you.
You're dead now.
Oh, you can hear us now?
Please stop killing me.
Wait, let me get him.
Is your voice?
Wait.
Adam,
We're nice now. We're nice.
Okay.
Here, wait, stop.
We'll give you weapons. We're friendly.
Switch teams. He switched to our team.
On 3.
Please stop killing me.
Switch.
Make sure he doesn't take my weapons. I'm going to 3.
You're a noob.
Just kidding. I'm going to 1, 3. That sounds weird. Can y'all still hear me? Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, good. You're on my team.
Let's go to a different island.
Okay.
I know what team you switched to.
Wait, never mind.
What team did we switch to then, Monk? We're monks. We find.
You know you're not supposed to say what team you're supposed to switch to. When you say it out loud.
What team did I switch to? Oh, wait, crap. Should we switch islands? Is my recording finished? Wait, hang on. What? Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got him.
We got him. Where's he at? Hi! Hi!
Kidding me?
Should we switch to a different?
Alright, let's go to a different island.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, have a little tongue.
Wait, did you leave?
I switched islands. I'm waiting for you. Change the island destination. Change it quick. Change it on it quick. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We'll go to island.
Come on,
Wait, first. Okay, let's go. Let's quick. Wait, it's loading. Alright.
Woo! Wait. No.
Good.
Oh, thank God. Wait, are you on mobile?
No.
Oh. It's the other guy. Okay.
I swear, if he joins.
Drops planes, quick. Drop planes. Switch. Wait, switch to team 16 while we're here, okay?
16.
Yeah, I'm serious. It's an actual team you can switch to. Oh, dude. How many skins do you have that you don't want anymore that you bought from the item store?
Hello?
Holla.
Alright. He doesn't know we're on the team.
He's in the island,
He joined.
but he left. Do you want to know a quick way to get V-Bucks? Oh, wow. That's planes. But I know how to
He's
get...
not gonna know what team we're on.
Yeah.
Give me some planes. Jeez. He's gonna keep switching teams.
Do you have
Wait,
any...
freaking-
Do you have any items you don't like in your item shop anymore? That you don't use anymore? Like, skins you've bought from the item shop and you don't like them anymore.
No.
Because you can, like, refund them for V-Bucks and get more skins of it. It's insane.
I already know that.
Oh. Okay, land up here. We can build an awesome fort and then...
Kill him.
Stop switching teams. You're never gonna find us. We're on... I'll tell them your team. We're on team 5.
He's gonna keep switching.
I will kill you if you switch teams again. Oh crap, you're not even in the plane anymore!
No.
We told you, we're on team 2. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
He left.
Doop, doo, 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 doo.
He joined the world.
Uh-oh. Whoa. That's a lot. Are you gonna drop weapons?
You can get him.
Wait, I can. Wait.
No.
Oh, that would have been amazing. Okay. Pump?
Here, I'll split them up so you can get them easier.
Yeah.
What do you want?
And get a minigun as well.
Okay.
Throw me out a
Does it have
minigun.
infinity?
What, miniguns?
Yeah.
I don't know, but just throw one down just in case. No, they do not. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Whoa!
Wait, stop.
Okay.
I'm trying to get it to infinity ammo.
I see him. Got him.
You did?
Almost. I've knocked him almost.
Oh, wow.
He switched teams. Get him.
He sucks.
Throw down heavy snipers and a bunch of sniper ammo.
Alright.
We could snipe him out of midair and then just lazy links. Oh my. Okay. That's a lot of snipers.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay.
Ladies and gents, we've killed him. Take him down.
Wait, you said you need more snipers?
No, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, you're good. Hi.
Oh, you need purple ones?
No, I don't need any more. Ah!
You need blue ones?
No. No.
Oh, you have to have green.
Okay. Throw down a bunch of shotgun ammo.
Okay. Shotguns? Okay.
Shotgun ammo. And
Oh, it goes
turret.
away.
And put turrets down as well. You might be able to get them.
Okay. Wait. Stop.
Yes. We're gonna nuke down him.
You want to make a tilted?
Tilted towers?
Yeah.
Okay. I wish to edit. I can't even edit. He comes on our team, we'll switch teams again. He won't find out what team we're on because we'll switch to like team 15.
Get it.
Sir, we identify.
Wait, stop.
Where is
stop,
he?
Stop.
Okay. Wait, is he down here? Oh my god, he was down. He was climbing or something? Oh, drop down grapplers.
Wait. Oh, you said you need more weapons?
I said grapplers!
Stop. He's good.
he took a hunting rifle. Put it in us.
Yeah, what a poor guy.
Poor dude. Poor dude!
Oh, headshot. Oh, more. Wait, you want grapplers?
Oh, put dual pistols down.
I hate dual pistols.
Okay.
Where are they?
Gonna find him. I'm gonna snipe him again.
We don't have those.
They don't have dual pistol? Okay, that's fine. I was gonna do them because people say they're like really accurate or something. I heard all of those grapplers.
Oh, you want balloons?
No. No. Yes. Actually, yes, I do. Because now I can go full on attack helicopter. Sir? Oh no, I'm gonna switch that back out for the deal. Let's go, let's go!
Get.
Sir, I identify as an attack helicopter.
You can't float?
Where is he?